Live Wallpapers HD is an Android application designed to provide users with a wide selection of high-definition live wallpapers for their devices. This app is particularly appealing for those who want to enhance the visual aesthetics of their home screens and lock screens with dynamic and animated backgrounds rather than static images. Key features typically include an extensive library of live wallpapers, featuring a variety of themes such as nature, abstract art, fantasy, and more. Users can explore different categories and choose wallpapers that resonate with their personal style. The app often supports customization options, allowing users to add just settings such as speed, direction, and effects to create a personalized experience. Additionally, Live Wallpapers HD usually emphasizes performance optimization to ensure that the animated backgrounds do not significantly drain battery life. The app may also include regular updates to introduce new wallpapers and features, keeping the content fresh and exciting for users. Overall, Live Wallpapers HD serves as a valuable tool for anyone looking to customize their Android devices with vibrant and engaging animated backgrounds, adding a unique touch to the user interface and enhancing the overall visual experience.